Next section, mean and variance of binomial distribution. Listen, first mean. What is mean? Mean is denoted as E of x and is defined as which is equal to x equal sigma x equal to 0 to n x f of x. Listen, mean, the formula for mean is sigma x equal to 0 to n x f of x. Okay, here f of x is a binomial distribution. Here the mean of binomial distribution, that is f of x is a binomial distribution. What is f of x for binomial distribution? NCx, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. So, listen, E of x is equal to sigma x equal to 0 to n x, f of x is NCx, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. Then, listen, what is NCx? What is NCx? NCx is n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial. Listen, this is sigma x equal to 0 to n. Here x, NCx become n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial. Then p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. Next step, we expand n factorial, x factorial, that is sigma x equal to 0 to n x into n factorial. What is n factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into etc. up to n. That is n factorial. 1 into 2 into etc. up to n. Before n, n minus 1. Before n minus 1, n minus 2. Okay, divided by, this is x factorial. X factorial, what is x factorial? X factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into etc. up to x. Before x, x minus 1. Then n minus x factorial. Here p raised to x. Here we write p raised to x become p into p raised to x minus 1. Listen, this is p into p raised to x minus 1. We split this p raised to x become p into p raised to x minus 1. That is a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. That is p into p raised to x minus 1. P into p raised to x minus 1 is p raised to here, p raised to 1 plus x minus 1, that is p raised to x. So, here we write p raised to x become p into p raised to x minus 1. Then q raised to n minus x. Here q raised to n minus x. Next step, listen. Here x, here x. We cancelled this x. And we take this n and p to outside. That is n into p outside. That is np into sigma x equal to 0 to n. Here x and x cancelled. Remaining 1, 2, 3 etc. up to n minus 1. N here. So up to n minus 1. This is 1 into 2 into 3 into etc. up to n minus 1 means this is n minus 1 factorial. Divided by, here x and x cancel. So 1 into 2 into etc. up to x minus 1. That is x minus 1 factorial. Here x minus 1 factorial. Then n minus x factorial. Listen, p to the outside. Remaining is p raised to x minus 1. P raised to x minus 1 into q raised to n minus 6. Then, next step, we put n minus 1 equal to m and x minus 1 is equal to y. Listen, this np sigma x equal to 0 to n become, here we put, here the variable is y. Here the variable is x, so x sigma x equal to 0 to n. Here the variable is y. So sigma y equal to 0 to m. Listen, n minus 1 is n minus 1 is m. So, m factorial. Instead of n minus 1 here, m factorial. Then, x minus 1 is y. So, p raised to y. Q raised to, listen, q raised to n minus x. N minus x means here this n minus 1 minus of x minus 1. Subtract this n minus 1 minus x minus 1. That is equal to, right side is m minus y. This is here n minus 1 minus x. This minus into minus 1 plus 1. So, minus and minus 1 and plus 1 cancel. This is n minus x. N minus x is equal to m minus y. M minus y. That is n minus x is equal to m minus y divided by, this is x minus 1 is y factorial. N minus x is m minus y factorial. Then, next step, this is NP, sigma y equal to 0 to m. Here m factorial by y factorial into m minus y factorial. This is mcy. Here ncx n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial. So, here m factorial by y factorial into m minus y factorial is mcy. So, write mcy. Then, listen, this is p raised to y, this is q raised to m minus y. Then, we expand the sigma. The sigma expand. That is, listen, here np, expand means, first we put y equal to 0. mc0, p raised to 0. Q raised to m minus 0, that is m, plus sigma, put next value y equal to 1. So, mc1, this is mc1, p raised to 1, q raised to m minus 1, plus next term y equal to 2, mc2, p raised to 2, q raised to m minus 2, plus etc. Last value y equal to m, that is mcy, p raised to m, q raised to m minus m. M minus m is 0. Last term is mcm, y equal to m. mcm, p raised to m, q raised to m minus m, that is q raised to 0. Listen, this expansion, this is the formula for binomial series. This is binomial series. Binomial series p plus q whole raised to m. This is the expansion of p plus q whole raised to m. Binomial series. That is p plus q whole raised to m. That is np. This series become p plus q whole raised to m, that is binomial series, which is equal to np. What is p plus q? Listen, what is p plus q? P plus q is equal to 1. We know that p plus q is equal to 1. Sum of total probability. Total probability is 1. That is p plus q is equal to 1. So, 1 raised to m. P plus q become 1. That is 1 raised to m. That is np into 1 raised to m. What is 1 raised to m? 1 into 1 into 1 into etc. m times. That is 1. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into etc. up to m times means 1. That is np into 1, which is np. That is mean of the binomial distribution is np. Here, first we write the formula for mean, which is sigma x equal to 0 to n x f of x. Then we substitute the formula for f of x. Binomial distribution f of x is ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Then expand ncx. Next step, open the factorials. Factorials. Then we take np to the outside. Then next step, put n minus 1 equal to m and x minus 1 is equal to y. We get this term. This factorial formula become mcy. Then expand this sigma notation. We get binomial series. The binomial series is p plus q whole raised to m. Then p plus q is equal to 1. That is the mean of binomial distribution is NP.